What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to another Fix It Garage video. Today we are back on that Kia Stinger trying to get those downpipes on. Last video, we got those big intakes installed, and then we ran into all the problems you can imagine trying to do those downpipes. Well, we have regrouped and we have met at the place where I work to get those downpipes installed. So let's go ahead and jump right into installing those downpipes. We decided today we were going to start on the driver's side downpipe and try and get that one out first, as it looked a little bit easier when we had the car in the air. I'm okay. Dude, at our
One
work,
click at a time.
off bracket.
Might be worth taking that off to get your hand in there.
Well, like, you don't have to take these off, just loosen it. It slides off.
Slide off TCM bracket. Really nice. So you don't need to take these all the way out. You can just take them loose, slide this bracket off, get a little bit more room. I don't know, move your finger and let me know if it comes off. Oh, an extension hit me in the throat. That was cool. Came off. Perfectly fine. No issues this time.
All right, we're off to a good start.
I need the other guy. Have work.
Hey, TV blaster.
Two. TV blaster's definitely the trick.
smells like chips under here.
Oh, come on, man. I had it out the first time. You just let me pull it out.
Come on, Bob. Let's see that pull-out game. Pull it out. Pull it out. Pull it out.
God damn it, I had it the second time, too. Where's your big pokey stick at?
Wah wah.
I need a thing to push the front up a little bit.
My big pokey stick is somewhere on the ground, probably.
Oh, one right there.
Pry bar?
Big pokey stick.
It's called a pry bar.
Big pokey stick.
Pry bar. You're gonna work with me. We use official terms and names. It's the thingamabob and the, what do you call it?
Oh, there you go. Hey, don't you take the credit for this. Don't you take the credit for this. God damn it, I did that.
No, I did.
Yeah, there you go. Add the drama in. Like push it in, pull back like barrel.
Hey, look at that. 1 out, 1 to go. Looking in here, we can now see the extent of the problem that we have with these broken studs. We tried welding onto one of them. It didn't work so far, but we're going to keep trying different methods to get these studs out, and I will update you guys when we get them out.
Now that we got that downpipe out on the passenger side, we need to fix the stud that we broke. So the first plan that we're going to do is we're going to weld a nut onto it and try to remove the stud. That's the first option that we can use with the space that we have. So we're going to try that before we do anything else. One of the other tools that you saw us using was a tool called a nut buster. It heats it up glowing red hot and breaks down any rust on the bolt or the nut, making it easier to remove. Great tool, very expensive, but great little tool to have hiding in your toolbox for a day like today.
Bob's like, I can't see on this damn welding mat.
Man, this modification has gone so much further above and beyond what I expected.
Make sure we do very short wax, just so we don't set any
Short wax.
no fire. No fire today. We don't.
All right, so we have some good news and we have some bad news. We were able to get both of them off, and the driver's side is ready to go back in the car, and it will be super easy to bolt up and finish. Unfortunately, the weld-on nut trick did not work, and we didn't want to go any further and risk damaging the turbo. So the next easiest thing to do is going to be pull the engine, cut the stud off, and drill it out. And that is exactly what we're going to do in the next video. Next video, you guys are going to see me pull the engine, fix the car, and put it back in and get it running in a day. 1 day is all I have to fix that car. And you guys are gonna see that in the next video, but that is gonna do it for today, guys. I wanna thank all of you for watching. If you like what you saw, don't forget to smash the like button, leave some comments down below, and subscribe to catch more Fix It Garage videos. But that is gonna do it for today. I'll see you guys in the next video.